Emojis are commonly used when we share our pictures on social media. Sometimes we need to get rid of these emojis and have the original picture. In this video, we will show you how to remove emoji from your saved pictures with HitPaw Photo Object Remover. So let's jump right in. To start off, we'll need to download and install the HitPaw Photo Object Remover. As usual, you can find the download link in the description below. Once the installation is done, launch the software. You'll notice two options on the screen: Remove Objects and Remove Background. Remove Objects. Let's get rid of any unwanted people or items in the picture, while Remove Background is perfect for eliminating the background. For now, we'll choose Remove Objects. Import the images from which you wish to remove emojis. Highlight the area where the emoji is located. Then hit Preview. Whoa, you'll see that the emoji has been seamlessly erased from the image. Now you might think this works well on images with solid colored backgrounds, but let's raise the stakes a bit. Take a look at this picture with a slightly chaotic background. Repeat the same process. Select the emoji, hit Preview. As you can see, the photo still comes out flawlessly. Process. Of course, the HitPaw Photo Object Remover isn't just for taking out emojis. It's versatile enough to help you remove any unwanted objects from your pictures, whether intruder in photos or those pesky cracks on a wall. I'm sure you're all smart enough to work your magic with this tool. Just click the download link in the description and give it a while. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Alright, we're nearing the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful, and don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more photo editing tips like this. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you later.